In the heart of Melbourne, nestled amidst a peaceful neighborhood, lies a home that embodies a family's desire for comfort and connection. The Moonee Ponds Residence, designed by architect Lukas for himself and his loved ones, is a testament to the power of balancing raw materials with elegant details. From the street, the house presents a striking interplay of light and shadow. The dark facade, punctuated by the deep setback and double-height concrete wall, creates a sense of privacy. Operable black louvers add another layer, allowing the family to control the amount of sunlight and privacy they desire. The entryway is a carefully orchestrated sequence. Parallel lines define the landscaping, with walkways and garden beds guiding visitors towards the house. This deliberate design creates a sense of arrival, a transition from the public street to the private haven within. Stepping through the threshold, the raw beauty of the concrete exterior gives way to a world of refined elegance. The design philosophy emphasizes the intrinsic qualities of each material. The concrete walls create a minimalist backdrop for more delicate elements, highlighting the architectural nuances. Natural light bathes the interior, illuminating the play of textures and finishes. The architects have meticulously crafted a space that is both sophisticated and comfortable, a perfect reflection of the family's lifestyle. This house is more than just a collection of rooms. It's a haven for creating cherished memories. The layout fosters connection, allowing the family to come together while also providing spaces for individual pursuits. As Lukas himself says, this residence represents the culmination of his experiences as an architect and a family man. It embodies what truly matters, a place to settle in, put down roots, and nurture the bonds of love. As the day draws to a close, the Moonee Ponds Residence transforms into a warm sanctuary. The interplay of light and shadow creates a sense of peace and tranquility, reflecting the harmonious balance achieved within its walls. The seamless integration between the house and the surrounding landscape is another key aspect of the design. The garden serves as an extension of the living space, providing a tranquil escape and a source of natural beauty.